blade, Skorpios, the new Skorpios. Almost done Skorpios. Spare Skorpios. Other Skorpioses. And Tombstone. Uppercut. Hi everybody. So we're getting ready to do something that everyone tells me we need to do, which is fix Skorpios' spinner. And if you leave a comment about how you would fix the spinner, we have a genuine ice wave bolt we're going to send to whoever leaves the best comment about how you would fix the Skorpio spinner. But step one, I'm taking off all the damaged stuff, and we're going to change up the weapon motor, change the settings on the weapon motor, put a new blade on the robot, put new bearings in the robot, put new pulleys on there. Oh my god, this is going to be a long episode.
What about the belt, Zach?
And we are going to get the belt tension right
because
this time.
He has to keep his pants up.
Don't worry about it.
Nothing to look at here.
Don't worry about it. Hey, hey, forget about it.
Everything is gonna be okay. Nobody panic!
I'm here at Chewy's shop. We need to turn this into more of these wubs. Wubble of a ding dong. Hey Chewy, I wub you. Here you can see that long tube created a nice amount of wubs. Here's Bennett grinding our wedges. Here's one that hasn't been done yet. So he's putting a bevel on the edges. Making the zoom zoom.
Mm-hmm.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Yeah, we have all the little fiddly bits, and then in the arena, all the fiddly bits go wiggle, 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 and we don't want them to wiggle too hard, so we put them in some little squishy squish, and it's just, and that whoop, and then whoop, and it's like then when it wiggles real hard, it just goes wiggle, 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 instead of wiggle, 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 wiggle.
I really need to stop doing this, but there's something just so satisfying about the world's most dangerous fidget spinner.
So I'm putting the name on the back of our freshly painted, we've done 2 layers of blue on the frame. So I'm prepping the frame to get ready to put the black strips on it. And then once we peel this backing off, it leaves a vinyl printout of our name, and then we paint the black over it, and then we peel these stickers away so you see the blue Skorpios pop through the black. Boom. So we want to be really careful, and when we see some of the letter come off with the paper, we pull it back, rub it a little more so that the sticker gets left on the back. Wait for it. Wait for it. Score!
Surprise name change!
Scorp! E? Scorp? No! Stay! And we've completely covered holes.
Skorpios. Skorpios.
Boom! Da, da, da. Here's Bennett again.
Hello.
Hi, Bennett. So I showed you the wedges he was grinding. This is what they look like when they're completed. Ooh, smooth. Bye, Bennett.
Bye.
Dan, what are you doing?
I'm making battery hammocks.
Battery hammocks?
Yeah.
I want to be in
Battery hammocks.
What is a battery hammock?
Well, you see, the battery kind of needs to go down into the battery holder. But it needs a little thing to wrap around it. and the thing to help pull it out. So got a little fabric thing, and I'm going to sew it up, and it's going to have a tab, and you can pull it up out of the battery holder.
So it's not a hammock because batteries get tired and need to rest?
That too.
For those of you wondering what sets of skills you need to build a robot, sewing is an important one. Right, Dan?
I'm sewing right now.
Oh, he's actually sewing.
That, Dan?
That's a reamer. That's for if someone's being a real butt, you just ream them.
So we're looking for Zach, right?
Yeah.
Zach, what are you working on?
Skorpios.
Skorpios! Such a surprise. Ooh.
I know. I bet nobody imagined I would be working on this.
What is he hugging right here?
This is the Doom box.
Ooh, doom, da, doom, doom, doom.
When the magic smoke comes out of this, everything stops working.
Sweet.
But this is essentially the central nervous system for the whole robot.
Wow.
All of our speed
All of
controllers are in here. All the receivers are in here.
All of you opponents watching, this is what you want to try to hit.
Yeah, but where am I putting it?
Exactly. I'd say you're putting it right there.
Well, that's the one spot it's not going to go because the servo's already mounted there.
Right there.
Did someone say pudding?
Chocolate pudding. Now go away! I'm done with you.
So, some people might be looking in horror as I have this beautiful new motor that was provided to me by Scorpion Motors, and I've torn it in half. I'm going to try to adapt some of Paul's battle hardening techniques. And if you'd like to see the full process of what I'm trying to poorly copy here, please check out our episode number 9, The Secrets of Bite Force, where he actually showed us how he battle hardens his own motors. And we're now adapting his technique. And a little bit we got from Robert Cohen's, because he also has a great video about how to do this with brushless motors. I'm kind of I'm taking notes from both and figuring out my own method. Bennett has nightmares from when I made him do like 40 motors.
Yeah.
His hand has shadow pain right now just watching me do this.
How come the company doesn't do this before you get it?
Most people don't put a motor in a robot and then go have Tombstone hit it.
Good call.
So they do enough battle hardening to put this in a model airplane and have it go crash.
Mm-hmm.
And because that's the product this is actually built for.
Ben, what are you doing?
I'm helping Zach cat up the mount for a brand new Scorpion motor.
We're putting scorpions inside Skorpios? Does that mean it's infested?
I hope not.
Okay, our next step. So, we're trying to get packed up for Battlebots. It's only a few days from now. This is Skorpios number 6, and we're about to do what's called the failsafe check. Now, you'll notice we've removed the weapon off the robot. His trademark stinging tail is not here.
Bye-bye.
We still have all the motors and all the batteries are loaded. So we're going to power up the robot right now. We've got both radios already on. And this is a safety measure Battlebots requires for you to compete, which is failsafe. What that means is the radios could be destroyed or lose power or stop transmitting. And they want to see if the robot loses signal, it'll stop. So right now I'm booting everything up. All the confirmation beeps.
And all the LEDs that we need.
So I'm going to drive forward on the stick just a little. And we're going to turn the radio off, and we want to see the robot stop. Huzzah! All right. Drive system failsafes. We're going to check this on the weapon. So we're going to spin the weapon motor and turn the radio off, and we want to see the motor come to a stop. So that was a fail.
Womp womp.
Womp womp. Looks like I need to dive into the settings on the radio here and try and fix that.
It all worked, just like it was supposed to. Oh my god. The robot weighed in 8 pounds underweight and put out that incredible weapon performance. We still have a lot to do, but our next video is going to be driving to Battlebots. So, please like and subscribe, stay tuned, because we want to give you some behind the scenes looks at the new season of Battlebots.
So what you doing, Diana?
I'm giving Skorpios a nice butt. Battlebots. It's all about the butt stuff.
Well, now I can't use this clip.
Sorry. Okay, take 2. That's fair. What happens if it wiggles too much? Magic smoke?
Yeah, magic smoke makes it work, and it likes to escape. It gets too excited.
Oh, man.